Hello classmates! Hello teachers! I'm Lois Ashlyn from grade 2 Cheerful! Today I will be doing a science experiment and I call it the lava lamp. Come and let's do it!
First, we need any kind of oil, a funnel so that we can't spill the oil, of course a light source, and any kind of container, vinegar, and food coloring. And these are and baking soda, of course. And these other things, the rocks and the pyramid, those are my props.
Let us start!
First, we take the container and then get the baking soda and open it. Now we need a spoon to scoop up the baking soda into our container. Now we need an assistant to help us put the oil inside the container.
Daddy, would you please help me to place the oil here?
And we need to fill the container up until it's full with oil. And then we take the vinegar and then the food coloring. I already mixed the red and blue to make the purple. And then we will pour our vinegar into the container of the food coloring and mix it up with the spoon. Mix and mix, mix and mix. And then we prepare the light. And then we put the container carefully onto the light. And then we will turn on the light. And look, now it glows. And now we put the mixture of the food coloring and the vinegar into the container. And now put the cap on and we will turn off the lights to get a better experience and to see the chemical reaction. What is happening here? Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. It's a chemical compound known as base. A base is a substance that releases carbon dioxide ions when combined with water. And acid is a substance that contains a high concentration of positive hydrogen ions. In this experiment, vinegar is the acid. When an acid and a base are combined, a chemical reaction occurs. When sodium bicarbonate and vinegar are combined, they react and produce carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the gas that you see bubble up as soon as the vinegar droplets come into contact with the baking soda. I hope you like my experiment. And that's all. Thank you for watching.